Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back. When I first got my tractor, the salesman had just dropped it off. About 5 minutes went by and I tried to pull it into the garage with the rollover bars open. And this door is an 8-foot door, but the track is only it's for a 7-foot track. They didn't put the extension on. So not thinking clearly, because I had just got my tractor, I tried to pull it into the garage and I ruined the bottom panel and was kind of ruined the moment at the time. But all that's behind us now. We've since got it fixed. Cost about $300 some to get it fixed, and to ensure that it doesn't happen again, I bought an extension piece up there to make it an 8-foot, to make it work for an 8-foot door. So that's the project for today, and it was a $30 investment, and hopefully it'll save me $300 down the road. All right, so let's get started. Here's the new piece that goes up front. Yeah, that's definitely longer than the one that's there. And that'll make it at least go back and be in line with the other one. Looks like they've thrown an extra angle piece with the holes in it. And we got some instructions. Toss that over there. Let's just see what we're dealing with. Alright, so I'm going to use this as the new support to hang the garage, to hang the opener off of. So let's get a big wire. Okay. She's free. Go down and back. Guys, she's probably trying to get it up. Go. There we go. All right. That's hopefully the hardest part of this whole job. I do eventually want to move these down, just because we do have little kids. The previous owner had installed these this way, which is not code. The guy who came and tried to fix my door, said he shouldn't technically work on my door because this was up here like this, but he did me a solid, so nice guy. Okay. All right, so there's this master link assembly right here. We need to, I'm just going to see if I can spread it apart. Whoa. No idea where that went, but it does say to discard it, so we're okay. Whew. Okay. Give it a shot. Okay. Put all that back together so we don't lose it. Okay. Oh, shit. No, shoot. Here's the old one. Notice how short it is. And the new one. That gives you the extra length needed to open your garage door all the way. Okay. Slide her on, she locks into place. By golly. Like so. That went there, and that went there. All right, guys, quick update. I think I've got everything back up there. Now I'm ready to start adjusting it. So I got the chain back up there. Removal of the chain was a lot easier than I thought. I thought it was captured on the backside, but it's not. It's just, you just take it off of the gear that it's on. But now I'm going to go and get my garage door opener from my truck and start adjusting it. Alright, here's the moment of truth. Wish me luck. This baby up. We're gonna lock it just in case. These away. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that one. That's gonna save a lot of money down the road. So 30 bucks saved me another $300 some bill to get that fixed. Wasn't too bad, probably a couple hours worth of work. Just took my time, read the instructions, and we have a successful project. That's exciting. We'll see you on the next one.